Christmas is coming, New Year's is coming, but your ball never coming because you did not buy it.
Wow! English yun, dire-diretso
Yes, yes.
yun guys, dire-diretso yun.
Because I am a professional teacher kailangan natin makabili ng bola.
Oh, bakit nagtagalog ka? Oh
no.
my gosh, he speak Tagalog.
I did not say it.
Ay, what did you say?
My ball is original.
Okay.
Kailangan mo lang bumili nito.
Okay. Kasi sabi ko.
This is this is my Tora here, and now I'm going to my another client so I get paid right there. Okay, I'm still walking. Oh, this is metal work. This is motor. Yes, check it out. Yes, a motor. And I have flies here. I don't know why this have this.
Are you speaking English?
I'm English speaking. Okay. Ano ba English ng flies? Cutter. I don't have why I don't understand what you have a cutter here, and I don't know why. So I bring him back to this. Yeah. And oh come on, I don't try, but we have this. Sheesh, is this a flashlight?
Hey man, what is that?
This is a flashlight, man. Yes.
Oh, they're eating. They're eating na.
They're eating.
My
This is very you're so very rude person. Because you eat, you did not tell me I'm going to back. Actually we have some foods today here, and but I will continue my promoting, guys. So yes, we have a lot of things to do. This is my little brother, and she is.
Are you Filipino?
No, I'm English speaking.
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from United States of California. Yes. Yes. And I'm here into the United Philippines. Yes, guys. Batang may pusang.
Sabi naman ito, dalawa.
Oh, yan. Kasi inubusan nila ako, guys. Bawi tayo. Hindi. Motor niya bulok. Motor ko, kahit motor mo, kahit isa ka eh.
For the punas-punas. Papawisin.
Wala naman akong ginagawa.
Meron. Nagpo-promote ka, tapos yung pawis-pawis.
Grabe guys, sa personal ang pogi ka pala.
Taas mo nga ulit.
Mabango yan. Chikidari.
Pineflex mo na naman yung absolute mo.
Guys, pero mag-ano na ako. Gym. Exercise lang.
Oo, yun o.
Ano?
Toyo. Suka. Oo.
Yan guys. Kahit namin toyo, sukang naka-plastic. Let's go. Ooh, man. Lucky jackpot. Man, sobrang lupit. Kung kanino man to, man. Napakalupit dito, mga bro, man. Let's go. Makita natin kung sino yung pumulot dito, mga bata.